In the previous video, we have seen that how we can use the if-else condition for a list, that is a list of number we have taken. We can check out that. And here we'll see how we can use the same if-else condition with a dictionary. So what we need to write here, let us see. So before starting, I need to create a dictionary. Let me create a dictionary with the name of student. So student is a variable for me in which is a dictionary, and in dictionary, it's a key and value pair. So first I'll take name as a key, and the value I can give here as, let's say, my name. Okay, now let me take another key value pair also. Let me take here age, age as a value, age as a key, and let's say 30 is the value there. Fine. So next is I want to check if name key is available in the dictionary, then just print the name. That is what I am going to do. So I'll write what I'm going to do. If name is available in the dictionary, then print the name. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So I'll write if, the code I'm writing. So here if, what I want to check, I want to check for name. So whenever it is anything other than number, you have to write in the codes. So if name in, if so I am going to test its availability in the where, in the student variable. So I'll write student here. If name in student, then what I need to do, I want to print, what I need to print, I need to print the name of the student is, then give a comma. So here I'll write a colon so that it will look good. So give a comma, and then I need to print the name from the dictionary. So we know how to access the value from a dictionary. So here I have to write student variable in square bracket, write which key value pair you want. So I'll write here name here. Fine. So if I run this code, so see if name is available. So the name of the student, it is Sambhudutta, it's printing that. Fine. So what happens if the attribute I'm finding is not there? So let's check that. So let's say I'll take address. Okay, so if I run that, no output is coming because address is not there in the student, and we have not written any statement for that. Fine. So how to write a statement for that? So here I'll write else statement. Fine. So else print, what I need to print, address is not there, so we'll print address is not available in the dictionary. Fine. So if I run this, so it will print address is not available in the dictionary. Fine. So here also we can do one more thing. So what we can do here is, so the user will ask that, user input will take, and it will ask that whether this value is there or not. Fine. So for that, what you can do, we will take user input as a variable. Fine, and that is equals to input. We'll write a message, enter the key you want to search. Okay, so here what will happen, here I am not using the int before input as I have used in the previous video, because I know it's a string, so it's not a number, so that's I'm not using that. And when the user input is available here, so what we will do, we'll try to check this one. So here user, if user input in student, then the here we'll write value of the whatever user input it is there, value of the user input is student dot, here I'll write user input, because this is the key I want to print. Fine. So here if it is not available, we'll just print user input key is not available, then the value of user input key here will write. Fine. So let's see whether it's give the answer or not. So let me write here, it enter the key you want to search. I'll write name here. So see, if I enter name, then the value of the user input key is Sambhudutta, the name is Sambhudutta. Fine. So now if I run this code again, and if I ask for something else that is not available, so here the user input key is not available in the dictionary. So you can make this program more look more better also. Here you can write the value of the instead of writing user input key. So what you can do, here we can write the user input, then comma, then I'll write here is. Fine. So it will make the sentence look good. Value of name, or just write user input is, or of the student is this. So let us print that. Okay, somewhere something is missing. One comma was extra here. So now if I want to search the name, so it is going to print name of the student is Sambhudutta. Right? It makes sense, the sentence makes sense. Fine. So like this you can change your print statement to look good. And here we have seen that how to use a if else condition in a dictionary. Next we will see that how it can be used for some other purposes in other data structures. It can be used in a set, it can be used in a dictionary, it can be used in a list, and also we will see for loop and while loop also, how it can be used in some data structures.